Before you sign up with Optimum, stop right now, because most people assume all ISPs are equal. The surprising truth is that Optimum offers fast speeds and bundles, but reliability and customer service may vary depending on your location. Optimum provides cable internet, TV, and phone services in select areas of the U.S. You won't believe what happens next when users discover that the advertised speeds are often achievable, but performance can fluctuate during peak hours or in areas with older infrastructure. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume advertised speeds are guaranteed. In reality, factors like distance from the node, network congestion, and home wiring affect actual speeds. Running speed tests during different times of day helps set realistic expectations. Getting started is simple. Choose a plan based on your speed and bundle preferences, schedule installation, and connect via provided modem and router. Optimum offers a range of plans from basic 200 Mbps to gigabit level speeds in certain areas. The upside is convenience and options. Bundled packages can save money if you need internet, TV, and phone. Feeds are generally competitive, and the network is widely available in service areas. The downside is customer service. Many users report long wait times, billing issues, and installation delays. Some areas may experience inconsistent speeds, especially in high-density neighborhoods. The surprising truth about Optimum is that it works well if you're in a well-serviced area and choose the right plan. But always check reviews from local users before signing up. If this honest review helped you make a better decision about Optimum, subscribe for more ISP reviews and tips.